I have a team. I do makeup, then I have a hairstylist with me. So whenever I have a booking, I just call
Wow,
him.
also professional.
Yeah,
You have a
yes,
team.
yeah.
Wow, yeah.
It's just me and a hairstylist. Good afternoon.
Hello. Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I am good. Thank you for asking.
What's your
Can you
name?
tell me? My name is Meghal.
Mikal. Actually,
Yes.
I'm trying to pronounce your last name. Is it
It's
Ahuga or Ahuja?
Ahuja.
Ahuja.
Yes, it's Meghal Ahuja.
Oh, awesome. My name is Ahmed.
Can you say it again?
Ahmed.
Ahmed.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Iraq.
Okay. Lovely meeting you.
Thank you so much. Have you ever heard about Iraq?
Yes, I have. But I
Have
have
you got
never been. No, I have never.
and have you got some students from Iraq?
No, not really. I had
Uh-huh.
a student from Germany once, but not from Iraq.
From Germany? No, Germany.
Yeah.
It's far away from Iraq.
Yes.
Yeah. And how long have you been teaching here on Clapingo? Because I haven't seen you
Um,
here.
I think for almost 2 months now, I've taken more than 400 sessions here.
Awesome! Wow, you're
Yeah.
hardworking.
Yes, I take classes the entire day from morning to night.
Do you like teaching English online?
Yeah, I do. It's really lovely to meet new people, talk to them, learn from their experiences, share your experiences. It's really nice.
Yeah, exactly. And how did you find this journey in
Okay.
teaching online? Is it really hard because you meet like different level of students, you know?
Yes. See, I've been teaching since past 4 years,
Yeah,
English, mathematics, and economics. And I
awesome.
am a BBA graduate, but also I am a makeup artist.
Wow, you have different talents.
Yeah, but I never really thought that I would continue teaching. I left teaching. I went for makeup, and I do makeup, bridal makeups, post wedding shoots, pre wedding shoots, all of those things. But then one day I was, just scrolling through Instagram and I saw this ad, and I just filled the form and I got selected.
Oh, so you were working by your own, like
Yeah.
you by your Instagram page, okay?
Yes. Yes.
And and then like a company selected you?
Yeah, I just saw some advertisement because Clapingo, promotes on Instagram, YouTube, and other social media platforms. So I
Yeah,
just saw this advertisement and I was really hooked up. So I thought, maybe I should give it a try because I used to teach earlier. So I just
yeah.
filled the form, then I had an interview and I cracked it and I got in. So,
Uh,
I started
y-
teaching here.
yeah, and if you have a chance, like to choose whether teaching or makeup artist, what would you prefer to work with?
It's very hard to choose. I think I love both.
Yeah,
um, Earlier there was a time when I used to love makeup, so I could never even think about teaching. But now, it's been 2 months, and I have, met so many different people, and learn from their experiences, share mine. So now I think I would choose teaching.
teaching. Okay, that
Yeah.
awesome. So can you like manage that like work in teaching field and makeup artist field at the
Yes.
same time?
Yes, I am able to because the working time here is like very flexible. So I
Yeah.
can choose when I want to teach, at what time I want to teach. If I'm busy, then I will not open my slots. So I think day before yesterday I had a makeup booking
Yeah.
and I did not take any classes. I went for that. So because the timings are very flexible, it's work from home. It's very easier to work. And
So
whenever I get an opportunity to do makeup, I do it.
do you like work like makeup artist like people come into your home or you are the one to go for them?
Okay, I don't have any studio or a workplace. So I do So I don't
Mm.
really like to call people at my place because it doesn't seem professional. I would ask them to
Yeah.
sit on my bed and do it. So it's very unprofessional. So I usually go at their place
Okay.
and do it. Like I have a team. I do makeup, then I have a hairstylist with me. So whenever I have a booking, I just call
Wow.
him.
Also professional.
Yeah.
You have a team.
Yes. Yeah.
Wow. Yeah.
It's just me and a hairstylist. That's it. We're just two
Yeah.
people right now.
Maybe in the future, you will have
Yeah.
your own team. Okay. Like
Yes.
some people, they will assist you. Okay. Uh,
Yeah.
Actually, it's a dream. It's a dream.
Yes. My dream is that I want to have um, multiple makeup studios and makeup academies where I can teach kids how to do makeup. Like that is the ultimate goal
Awesome.
because I love
Uh,
teaching again. So what's better than teaching makeup?
yeah, it's all about teaching. Yeah.
Yeah, it's all about teaching and it's all about makeup. And when you get a combination of both, teaching makeup, that's like a win-win. So I would
Exactly.
love
Yeah.
to do that.
Definitely, yeah. You're a teacher, so wherever you want to teach in any field, you could teach. You know why? Because you have
Right.
that skills to deliver the information.
Yes. And I love teaching. I used to teach makeup online earlier also, but
Yeah.
because of Clapingo, I've been really busy and therefore, I'm not able to teach now, but maybe in the future I have my own academy.
Wow. Have you gave a name for your academy?
Not really. Earlier, I gave it a name, Glitter Glaze, but I think it's very common here in India. Many people have, similar names. So I thought, maybe I should start an academy or a studio by my own name. So it would be Meghal
Yeah.
Ahuja and, then makeup artist known as that.